Good Wednesday late morning here. Going to check out for the severe potential this afternoon. The Severe Storm Prediction Center has outlined us for potential for severe. We also have a flood watch in effect for some heavy rain. It's very humid out there, so if we do get precipitation, it should be pretty heavy. So we'll move forward. This is kind of the timeline. This was going way back. Oh, actually, I think there's already a 12Z update. Let's get that one in here. So this is back earlier. Nothing was around. So according to this, between right around 2 to 3 p.m., showers and storms may start popping, but especially between like 4 and 5, and then maybe more storms later. Nothing looks too bad on this chart here, but it looks heavier, maybe more to the east. We'll have to see if this comes true. I do think that maybe this is predicting it too far east, but that is something we'll have to watch. And we have some chances of showers, throughout the rest of the evening. We will watch for more showers and storms possible tomorrow, but I'm not sure about the severe level. Mainly the marginal chances of severe weather tomorrow, but we'll have to wait and see. So that was one short-term model, and it's saying maybe not too much is around. Let's go to another one here. This is the HRRR, which is a convective kind of short-term map to look at. And as we go here into this afternoon, we do see around 4, maybe a little bit later, around 6 p.m. is when it's showing the heavier showers and storms running through the area, maybe even some follow-up rain. That could be 3 rounds of some heavier rain, so we'll have to see. All right, so what are the precip amounts that are being forecasted here? If we look at the overall precip amounts as we go later into the evening, it all depends whether or not you get a shower or storm, maybe an inch, inch and a half. But I would say there's potential for even more just because of how much moisture is in the air. So we definitely need to watch out for any potential there. We'll also look for severe weather. This is the higher level, stronger storms. So there you're looking at it. Yeah, around 6 p.m. is when it's looking like the heaviest storms can come through on this short-term model. So we'll definitely have to watch and be on the lookout for very heavy storms at this time. And again, with very heavy rain. And maybe even a follow-up shower storm a little bit later. We'll have to watch here. All right, so that's why we're getting in this slight risk for today. If you look at the forecast from the Severe Storm Prediction Center, if we go more close to our area, you can see that we're in the slight risk. Main risk being wind, but there is even a chance of some hail, possibly from these storms. That's something we'll all need to watch for. All right, so that's a short term. Now hold on for the long term. All right, so here's a long term forecast look at the weather here. This is today. We start off kind of clear. Then this is a good chance of some afternoon showers and storms. Even showing a meso or a small low, that could really bring down a lot of rain. So we definitely have to watch that for local flooding chances or potential. That moves on out, and then tomorrow with the heat and humidity around still, good chance of showers and storms. And the same thing, actually, I guess this was actually Thursday where the secondary low came through. So a lot of chances of good rain over the next 24 hours. Friday, so Thursday will clear out. Then Friday again, chances of showers and storms due to the heating. That was Friday, and then on to Saturday, we have more rain chances coming into the area. It's just going to stay unsettled, hot, humid. Temperatures up near 90 degrees. Humidity will make it feel hotter. So definitely something we'll have to watch for as we go into the weekend. Sorry about that, I jumped ahead. So it's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Each day bringing the chance of some scattered convection and high temperatures right up in the upper 80s, around 90. It's very normal this time of year. Moisture is sticking around even into next week, so here we are on Monday with more scattered showers and storms, as well as Tuesday. Now, as this all pans out, we start to see a stronger southwest or southerly wind flow here coming into play, and that could mean our temperatures are going to pop up again, and we'll have a small heat wave here with highs up into the mid and upper 90s. We'll have to see if that's going to come true. There is some tropical mischief down here to the south. Anything can bring up more moisture. This is getting really far out there, though. We're on the 16th, so we're way off in the future here by now. And so what comes next, we really, is beyond 7 days. We'll have to take with a grain of salt. But what I can say is this high in this front that's going to try to come across the country, one, could cause some more severe weather, and two, eventually, after the warm-up that we experience, could bring some relief, but it won't happen until late in the month, maybe like after the
18th, 19th, 20th, somewhere around there, that more of a push of what I'd say, in quotes, cooler air could push into the East Coast and give us some relief from some of the heat and humidity. I don't know if it will last that long. It doesn't look like here on this forecast model it will, because it shifts eastward, and then here comes strong southerly winds again, and so that could mean that we just heat right back up. And I think that is what the Climate Prediction Center is showing, much above normal to above normal temperatures. Kind of the rule, and it looks like just daily chances of showers and storms. Very repetitive pattern, of course, if there's anything strong, or even heavy rain sometimes. The heavy rain can cause downdrafts and very, very heavy precipitation and heavy winds and strong, severe weather. So just that is the way it's looking over the time period. Just to show what the the Climate Prediction Center is showing. This is in the 6 to 10 day period. You can see we are firmly in the above to way above normal here chance here. This is in the 6 to 10 days. This is in the next week. And the 8 to 14, we're still above normal here in the east. Precipitation wise, the way it looks, I mean, with daily chances of rain, we're having definitely above normal chances of precipitation. And so, no drought this summer. Now, what's ironic, and just as a heads up, Round Hill is still under some voluntary conservation on the water because groundwater has not completely recovered from the drought we had. I know it's hard to believe, but just because the surface now is all wet doesn't mean that the groundwater has been totally replenished. That takes a lot longer. I think we continue to see these rain chances will at least keep it stable. Probably won't be until the fall before they can truly recover after the heat of the summer is over. All right, that's it. It was a long outlook. Look out for showers and storms this afternoon. I'll try to keep posted. Thanks.